Hey everyone, we are here and we are starting our first appetizer for the Easter edition of Party in a Pinch. Liz Bouchon is here, and so Liz, we already kind of described what we are making earlier in this segment, but here's all the ingredients that we need for this goat cheese spread, right?
Yes, and this is so much fun and it's so easy. It's just 3 ingredients. So we have cream cheese, goat cheese, and pesto.
Ooh, yum.
And the pesto is pre-made, so you don't have to worry about mixing it yourself, but you could if you want to.
Something, once again, so easy that you can do in a pinch.
Yes. So if you would,
Yes,
go ahead
I
and
will.
mix the cream cheese. This is softened at room temperature, the cream cheese and the goat cheese, and you're just going to blend that.
And just kind of blend it all together.
Yes, until it's nice and smooth and creamy.
Okay. And so another thing that's a great tip about this too is to make sure that you have the goat cheese and the cream cheese room temperature, right?
Absolutely, you should have that. Yes. And if you have a larger mixer, it'll mix up faster and smoother and creamier. It's just, you know, we have that for this.
Right.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to add probably a couple of tablespoons of the pesto.
Okay. And I love that you found it pre-made. That's something that's so easy and so nice and can really add a lot of flavor.
Yes. Now if you want to, you can also take your mixer and mix it, or you can mix it by hand. It doesn't really matter. The more pesto you add, the more it looks like a nest, because we're making that bird nest.
Right.
And it's such a lovely little appetizer, and when you serve it with crackers and the little thyme sprigs, it's just so festive. Everybody's going to love it.
Right. Well, it smells so good too.
Yeah. So what we're going to do at this point, you're going to reserve 3 or 4 tablespoons to make your eggs.
Okay.
But we already made our eggs, which are right there.
And something super easy as well.
Yes, and you can use your fingers to make those. In the meantime, though, this has to set up. So I'm going to put all of this deliciousness in this bowl.
And how big of a bowl are we looking for?
Anything that you want to make your nest shape out of.
Okay.
So I'm just kind of smoothing it around, creating a little dome in the middle. Or a little dip, I should say.
And you also, people are noticing that there's saran wrap already in the bowl as well.
Yes, and the reason for that, I will show you.
One little guy just fell.
Uh-oh.
I'll put that in there, that's okay.
So you take the edges of the saran wrap, or whatever plastic wrap you want to use, and fold it in.
After making a dome in the middle.
After you make the little dome in the middle for the nest. And at this point, you can pick it up if you want to and kind of shape it.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator. It has to chill at least 2 hours.
Okay, and then the thyme as well. Something that's so great about the thyme is that you can buy fresh sprigs of it, and it really adds not only color but flavor as well. And so tell us what the thyme then is for.
Well, the thyme, what we'll do with the thyme, when you get it home, when you buy it, bring it home and put it in a glass of water and put it in your refrigerator, because it will last longer and be fresher.
Right, and everyone loves fresh, fresh herbs, especially this time of year.
Yes, and your thyme will smell really fragrant. It's very fragrant. So then what we'll do is, after this sets up, we'll take the plastic wrap off, and then we'll just insert the sprigs in one direction all the way around the nest.
Oh, that's beautiful. Well, we will put that in the fridge, let that set, and then we'll work on some of the other food ideas that you brought with us too.
Good.
But we can't forget about the cute little eggs as well. You want to make sure that you reserve some of the cheese mixture with the pesto already in it for this, right?
Right, and you want to chill those as well. And then right before you serve it, then I would bring the eggs out and put them in there along with your crackers. And use assorted crackers. It doesn't matter what kind, whatever flavor you like.
Okay, wonderful. Well, Liz, thank you so much. We appreciate it. When we come back, we are going to be making bunny buns, right?
Bunny buns.
Oh, I love it.